Hello everyone! Eating together at home has always been a part of our everyday bonding moments with our families. So how about we spice things up a bit to make it extra special? In this video of How-Tos with AllHome, we're going to show you how to elevate your home dining experience through tablescaping. First, find your inspiration. Choose the theme and color palette you want to achieve for the mood for your dining space. You can go from neutral to colorful, minimal or festive, any preference. You can bring out your creative side by adding a personal touch to your dining space. Ooh, this looks nice, tropical. Gather the items for your composition. Keep in mind that they do not necessarily have to match perfectly, but they have to complement each other to achieve balance. Before placing your items, make sure you start with a clean slate. Set the foundation of your table. Position your placemats and lay out the table runner at the center. Make sure that both ends of the table runner hanging from the table are equal. Next is layering your tableware, from your plates to silverware to glassware. These are necessary items for your table to look complete. Be creative and don't be afraid to combine colors with different patterns or textures that can complement each other. These will help define the theme you're going for and add some depth to your table. Lastly, to add interest, character, and a finishing touch to your table, add your centerpiece and accessories. It can be flowers, candles, or vases at different heights. Combining a couple of these will surely make a statement and bring an air of elegance to your dining area's ambience. And you're done! Who knew that creating your own dining space can be this fun and easy? No need to go outside for fancy dining when you can just follow these steps and make your home dining experience unique and extra special. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's YouTube channel. You can also visit our website at allhome.com.ph and use this voucher code to get $200 off on your order. You can also visit our Shopee and Lazada shops at AllHome Official. See you in our next video.